This is what it looks like when insurance agency owners get serious about scaling. Every so often, we open our doors to agents from across the country and let them see exactly how we operate our agency in Dallas, Texas. From morning huddles to midday recaps to back-end systems most agencies never touch. We show you the structure, systems, and workflows that built our team and scaled our agency to write over $1.2 million per month in P&C premium. No fluff, no motivation, just what works. Because here's the truth. Most agents are busy, but they're not productive. They're managing fires instead of building systems. That's why this isn't just a day of training, it's a reset. Every agent left with a clear 8-week plan to grow profitably without burning out or hiring blindly. If you're serious about growth, and you know what's got you here won't get you to the next level, this is where you get the blueprint. We have another boot camp coming up very soon. Don't miss the next one.